So today we're going to start learning about different strategies we can use to accomplish a division problem. So I wanted to start off by showing you a couple of different strategies that you can use, and you'll have a chance to practice these. Today we're going to focus on repeated subtraction, but I wanted you to see a couple of other choices as well. So let's start off with how we can model division. So I'm looking at this question right here. So I'm going to read the question just to make sure I understand all the words. And then I'm going to read it a second time to look for the important information that it wants me to see. So here we go. Greg has 15 marbles. He puts them in 3 equal groups. How many marbles are in each group? Okay, so I'm good with the words. Now let's read it a second time and find the important information. It says Greg has 15 marbles. All right, so that's telling me how many marbles he has. He puts them in 3 equal groups. Okay, so now I know how many groups he has. And then it says how many marbles are in each group. So I need to find out how many marbles. So how many are in each group? So how many do I have total? I have 15. How many groups are there? 3. This is how I would model that. I take the largest number. That's my dividend. And I say, okay, I need to divide that into groups. That would be my divisor. So I'm going to take my dividend and my divisor and create a model. How many groups are there? There's 3. 3 groups. Now I need to divide my marbles into those groups. The easiest way I've found to do this is to do 1, 2, 3. 1 in each group so far, but I need to count all the way up to 15. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, I've reached my dividend number and I've divided it into 3 equal groups. So now I need to find my quotient. That would be how many marbles are in each group. So I need to count up how many marbles are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 marbles in each group. This is how you can model division. So like in our spiral review and it says draw a model, this is the kind of thing it's talking about if it's a division problem. In your work on Classkick, if it says draw a model, this is one of the options you have. And all I did was take my largest number, which is my dividend, and divide it into equal groups, however many this number is, which is my divisor. So I draw out my groups, and then I draw a dot in each one of my groups until I reach my largest number. Count up how many are in one group, and that is your answer. Okay? So this is model division. Another type of strategy that you can use for division is to be able to look at a question and create your own model. Instead of them starting one for you like that has the circles and you just have to enter your dividend, you actually have to draw your own for this model. So let me show you what I mean. First, I'm going to read this word problem just to make sure I understand all the words. And then I'm going to read it a second time to find the important information. So here we go. A classroom has 21 desks in rows of 3 desks each. How many rows are there? Okay, so now let's read defined information. A classroom has 21 desks in rows of 3 desks each. How many rows are there? So I'm looking for how many rows. Okay, so the classroom has 21 desks. There are 3 in each row. So I need to make rows of 3 until I reach 21. Remember, this is my dividend. This is my divisor. This is my largest number. This is how many I'm dividing it into. So here we go. I have 1, 2, 3 desks in a row. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay, so I have 3 desks in each row. How many rows are there? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So 21 desks in rows of 3 desks each means there are 7 rows of desks. So this is another strategy we can use to divide. We can actually draw our own model based on the information in the problem. There's one more I want to show you. A third strategy we can use to show division, or a type of model that you can use to show division, is a strip diagram. We've used these before, and if you like them, by all means, please use them. Let's look at problem number 1 and see if we can figure out what to do with this model that we have right here. First, I'm going to read to make sure I understand the words in the question, and then I'm going to read for the important items that I need. So it says, number 1, Alice has 25 dimes in 5 equal stacks. How many dimes are in each stack? Okay, so I understood the words. Let's read again for the important information. Alice has 25 dimes in 5 equal stacks. I need to know how many dimes are in each stack. Okay, so in my strip diagram, it says I have 25 dimes total. Okay, and this is a whole bunch like using the first one that we saw, where it has the model already drawn out for you. But this time, it's in a different, it just looks different. So let's do this. 25 dimes in 5 equal stacks. So I need to count out 25 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So how many dimes do I have in each stack? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 dimes in each stack. This is how this one is different. You actually write the numbers in so you can see it. And then down here I would put, there are 5 dimes in each stack. All right, these are 3 different models that you can use to show division. In our lesson today, you're going to learn a strategy on how to actually accomplish division using algorithms and equations, and then you can apply these models to help you get to the correct number.